हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ अनकरा। मेरा नाम अनकरा है। मरहबा नस्ल सुंदर खदाशलार। और आज हमारा फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट है और हमारे साथ हैं वन एंड ओनली माय गेस्ट, माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड, माय पार्टनर इन क्राइम, मूमल।
Thank you, Ankara. Hi, everybody. I'm so glad to be here because this is something we have been thinking for so long, or finally, today is the day that we
Today
are
is the day.
starting it. So, thank you for having me, Ankara.
बाय द वे, हम लोग के ना इसके बारे में बहुत दिनों से सोच रहे थे, बहुत सालों से इवन कि हम शुरू करेंगे, लेकिन हम दिल तो बच्चा है जी, थोड़ा सा कच्चा है जी, सो नहीं कर पाए बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग गोइंग ऑन, लाइक अप एंड डाउन हर किसी की लाइफ में आता है, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर फॉरेनर, स्पेशली। ओके, वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट।
Of course, yeah.
सो कैसा लग रहा है मूमल?
Actually, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और still I feel like I'm dreaming क्योंकि it's been so long, as you said, we are discussing about it and we are planning to do it. Or finally, today is the day that we are here talking one on one, doing the podcast. And yes, I feel good.
एक्साइटमेंट हो रही है और या नर्वसनेस हो रही है?
Actually, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि it's going to be a very tough thing to do because हम लोगों ने कभी ऐसा किया नहीं है. But now that I'm here, it feels like very natural and very real to do it. Or I feel like, I don't know, it's going to be good, I think.
यस, मुझे थोड़ी बहुत नर्वसनेस हो रही थी कि कैसा होगा कैसा नहीं होगा। और मेरी गेस्ट है मेरी मूमल, असांजी मूमल। सो या तो मैं बहुत कुछ जानती हूँ तुम्हारे बारे में, तुम बहुत कुछ जानती हो मेरे बारे में, लेकिन कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हमने कभी किसी के साथ ओपनली नहीं बोली। इवन दो हमें किसी को लेके किसी से शिकायत है, हमने कभी भी ओपनली नहीं बोला कि सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा। इफ़ वी गोइंग टू द टफ टाइम, इफ़ वी आर गोइंग डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम, तो मे बी वो बंदा भी डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम से गुजरेगा। लेकिन मैं समझती हूँ कि हर किसी का डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम होता है, हर किसी को एक सेकेंडरी ऑप्शन होता है और एक सपोर्ट होती है, फाइनेंशियली, इमोशनली, मेंटली, हर तरह की। लेकिन हम दो वो लड़कियां हैं जो हमें किसी ने सपोर्ट नहीं की, लेकिन हमने सपोर्ट किया सबको।
हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट किया है.
एग्जैक्टली।
थ्रू, कहते हैं ना, थ्रू थिक एंड थिन हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ रहे हैं. व्हेन आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग सो मैनी पीपल बिहाइंड मी इन माय हार्ड टाइम्स दैट नो मैटर व्हाट ये लोग तो मेरे साथ रहेंगे, बट somehow I don't know, it's life. I saw them, moving.
True colors.
So yes, you're right.
Okay, so I will ask some questions from you. By the way, this podcast is only for short time क्योंकि हमारा फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट है, and I hope कि जिस तरह से रीच हम चाहते हैं, so guys do love us, फॉलो भी करो, शेयर भी करो, लाइक भी करो और अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स भी करो ताकि हमें जो है और आइडियाज़ आएँ। आपके पास कोई आइडियाज़ हो, कोई हमारे यहाँ गेस्ट बनना चाहता हो, दे आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू कॉन्टेक्ट अस। सो एनीवे, मैं अब इस पॉडकास्ट में कुछ सवाल लेके आई हूँ तुमसे पूछने के लिए। सवाल कुछ ज़्यादा सीरियस नहीं होंगे, इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ फन और आइस ब्रेकर, समथिंग लाइक दैट। सो मेरा पहला सवाल तुमसे ये है मूमल कि कौन सी ऐसी फनीस्ट चीज़ है जो तुम्हें याद है अभी तक हम दोनों की, और तुम चाहती हो कि हमारे लोग या हमारे दुश्मन सुने?
Oh my God. Actually, मैं पहले व्यूवर्स को ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि अनकरा हैज़ बिन with me for so long. We are together since, I guess, 2009 when we were in the school, not even the high school, in school. So there are tons of memories जो कि मैं हर चीज़ तो openly नहीं बता सकती, but there is a very funny scene which I'm sure if I am going to tell you, Ankara will be really mad, but I will go on anyhow. So okay, so it was our
फैमिली शो है।
it was our third day in Istanbul. हम लोग newly shift हुए थे और हम लोग बहुत panicking वाली situation में थे since Ankara, you know, if you know, you know. Anyway, so we were getting ready and all that और हम university जा रहे थे. I'm sorry. Okay, so we were going to the university. We got all our things and stuff, and the place we were living, it was like Orangi school, you say in Turkish, which means the hostel, girls' hostel. So हम लोग वहाँ से अपना garbage pick करते हैं, and then we are supposed to throw it every day. you are the responsible one to do so. We are going to the university. In one hand, Ankara has the books and phones and everything, and in the other hand, she has the garbage. So she was supposed to throw the garbage, but instead, she threw her phone and kept on moving towards the university. And it's the university gate. We are there, and I'm asking Ankara, why you have garbage? Did you forget to throw it? And she was like, I threw it actually. And then in the other hand, she said, oh, I forgot. I just threw my phone instead of garbage. And we went all the way back to get the phone. And in Turkey, you know, there are huge garbage boxes. So, and since, you know, she's not so tall, I am not so tall, so we had to ask for the help from someone who went all the way inside the garbage and put the phone out. So it's the very fun thing that I can remember and talk about it right now.
It was like very hilarious day for me कि मैंने किसी टेकल शॉप को किसी अंकल को बोला जो जिसका कद मुझसे भी छोटा है, वो उस गार्बेज बैग में गया और उसने मेरा फ़ोन निकाला. लेकिन ये एक वन एंड ओनली इंसिडेंट नहीं है.
Of course, मेरे पास
ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा है.
मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा है.
क्या करें, गजनी मूवी देख देख के हमारा दिमाग इज़ लाइक थैंक्स टू आमिर खान.
Actually not that, but also हम all the way पाकिस्तान छोड़ के नए कंट्री में आए थे, नए फ्रेंड्स बनाने की कोशिश कर थे, नए एक इन्वायरमेंट में somehow एडजस्ट करने की कोशिश कर थे, तो हमारा माइंड was quite full with this stress and everything. So I think उसकी वजह से भी हो सकता है. It happens actually, it's normal, but the way you did it, it was so comic. It was so funny.
All right. Anyway, so okay. एक और सवाल है जो मैं बहुत दिनों से राइट डाउन करके बैठी थी अपनी डायरी में, अपने नोटबुक पे. तो मैं तुमसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, अगर कोई तुम्हारी लाइफ पे कोई मूवी बनाए, ठीक है, तो तुम क्या चाहोगी, किस तरह की मूवी हो, किस तरह से उसका प्ले हो, किस तरह की स्टोरी हो? बिकॉज आई थिंक जैसे तुम दिखती हो सामने लोगों को, वैसे डीप डाउन तुम नहीं हो.
Let's just not go into this. Okay. So yes, it's actually a very good question, and I think अगर आप किसी की लाइफ पे, मेरी लाइफ पे मूवी बनाओ, anyone, तो the best topic could be, or the thing that subject could be struggles for girls who are trying to make their life better. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है we are coming from a very good background basically, जहाँ पे हमारे family matters are not that bad, हमारे situations are not that bad, but still there are some struggles that we go through और उसके बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता है. Like to make our life better, हम लोग टर्की तक आए अकेले, which is not normal, especially from the family I came from. Basically मैं अपनी family में first one हूँ to come to Turkey and start a new life alone. Normally it happens when you're married and you go with your husband, like, you know, all the brown mom says, okay, first get married and then go with your husband. So हमारे साथ ऐसा नहीं था, and इसके लिए I'm very thankful to my mother who supported me throughout. So yeah, the topic could be the struggles.
और अगर तुम अपने पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस में कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस जिसको तुम डिलीट करना चाहती हो कि वो होता ही नहीं, तो वो क्या हो सकता है? मे बी इट कैन बी योर हॉबी, बैड थिंग्स, नॉट गुड फ्रेंड्स, कोई भी.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है from my childhood till now, I have this very bad habit for being available for the people every time. Like I was the one, I remember, in all my group of friends. Whenever somebody is calling me, no matter what the situation is, I would just go and be there for them. This thing, I think, इस चीज़ से मुझे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ है लाइफ में, बल्कि मैंने बहुत जो है नुकसान ही देखा है इसकी वजह से. Because when you are so available for people, they started taking you for granted, which is like, it's a very negative point. So yeah,
Exactly,
I think
that's
this
true.
one, this habit of mine, I would like to erase.
इवन दो जब मेरा पॉसिबल नहीं होता था कि मैं किसी दोस्त के घर जाऊं, बिकॉज आई वॉज लिविंग सो फार फ्रॉम द सिटी दे आर लिविंग राइट करंटली इन पाकिस्तान. सो मैं नहीं आती थी क्योंकि हमारा ड्राइवर का मसला होता था. वी हैव टू टेक परमिशन फ्रॉम आवर पेरेंट्स. ऑफ कोर्स पेरेंट्स हैव टू गिव अस परमिशन, अदरवाइज नो, यू हैव डोंट हैव टू गो.
We belong from a brown family
Brown
and
family,
we
B
need
town.
permission. We need permission. We
Yes.
are desi household.
देसी हाउस. सो हमारी देसी हाउस की तरह हमें इजाज़त लेनी पड़ती है, फिर ड्राइवर अरेंज करना होता है. गाड़ी तो अवेलेबल होती है लेकिन हमारे पास ड्राइवर नहीं होता. और इवन दो कहीं मुझे आना भी होता था, सो आई हैव टू कम बैक विद all the family member. I have to drop them and then I have to come and meet you guys. So ये सारी चीज़ें ना कोई नहीं देखता है, and I feel like they already take us for granted, so let it be. Okay, now do you remember our first conversation?
Our very first conversation. Of course I do. Of
Okay.
course. ऐसे ही नहीं हम लोग best friends हैं. Of course I do remember everything. Okay. So in our 8th and 9th standard, Ankara, basically we were in the same school, but her section was different than mine. I was in A and she was in B. So in 9th class, since I was a very paraku girl, so I used to be the head girl, the monitor, whatever you say. So I used to be there at the canteen and ask the children to behave, to show some manners and, you know, make the cues and make the lines and all. So I used to be there, and this was the very first impression Ankara had for me. Like, oh my God, she's such arrogant, and oh my God, what does she think of herself?
This was my first impression for you. Okay.
Yes.
Because मैं बताती हूँ कि first impression मेरा कैसा था इसके बाद. मुझे नहीं पसंद होता था कि मुझे कोई कंट्रोल करे, या मॉनिटर हो या कोई भी हो. इवन दो मुझे नहीं पसंद मुझे कोई कंट्रोल करे. सो शी यूज टू कम, ओके, मेक अ लाइन and you have to go for the break, and I was like, यार what the heck, what the
Who
heck
is she?
who is she जो बेबी
कौन
को
है
मना
ये?
कौन है जिसने मुझे दोबारा मुड़ के नहीं देखा, who is she? So फिर हमारी कैंटीन होती थी. कैंटीन में ऑलरेडी बहुत लाइन होती थी. ब्रेक होती थी 15 to 20 minutes हार्डली, क्योंकि 10 मिनट तो लाइन में हो जाते थे. सो यू केम आउट, यू सेड, अंकल हमें जो है, आई डोंट रिमेंबर अंकल नेम, व्हाट इज द अंकल नेम?
Kamran.
Kamran? Okay. Hi Kamran uncle, if you see me, say
I
hi
don't know.
to you.
वो कहाँ है अभी?
By the way, we are from Hayat School, so I hope if you are watching us, अगर आप हमें देख रहे हो तो do like us.
We were the bad girls of Hayats.
Big
Paraku,
ventures.
but it's still bad. Like, when I say bad, I don't mean like bad. I mean like we were so shararti. We were in all those activities where we
You
are
remember
bunking
the
school
maths teacher?
and bunking and going to the Eidgah, not with anything else, but we are going to the Eidgah and having fun there, having the Gola Ganda with all of our friends. This is what
And गंदे गोलगप्पे.
Aynan. We call this bad. These
Habits.
days, bad things are like different bad.
Do not try at your home or your school. So well, मैंने इसको देखा and I was like, यार ये कहाँ से आई है, हम इतनी देर लाइन्स में खड़े हैं. I understand she is monitor, but she has to understand कि हम स्टूडेंट हैं, हमें भी तो पेप्सी चाहिए. इतने पेप्सी के ग्लास होते थे.
Yeah, exactly.
इससे भी छोटे होते थे, remember? Okay, so this was my first impression and I started to hate her.
But for me, her first impression was quite good because she was the girl with not blonde, but some, you know, naturally light brown hair. And I used to see her and I used to say, oh, I used to think that, oh, she's pretty. I used to think like that. So for her, I was always positive.
And do you remember your sister? And I asked her that who are you? She's saying Anubhaji. She's saying like मैं invigilator हूँ.
Yeah.
और फिर
Because
हमारा
she was
से होना है.
also the student of Hayats in her times.
That's why in a Himayatul Islam.
Don't talk about it. Don't talk about it.
Okay.
Oh my
Don't talk
God.
about it.
Okay.
Okay. I'm not talking about the chill
This is the
okay?
first podcast, guys. We are not going to.
They're everything. Okay. So let's moving on. One thing that one person changed in a,
Sorry.
change you as a person. Anything like is a person, is a parent, is a sister, is a friend. It's your bad habit, good habit.
Not, I would say habit, because not most people have this ability to change some things quite inside of you. But I would say my husband. I'm sorry,
Okay.
but I'm really obsessed with him. I love him. Anyways, so my husband, because he made me realize that there are still good people in this world who are just, contributing somehow to make this world beautiful. Because before meeting him, I remember my mental state was effed up. I'm sorry if I can say this or not, but I was so bad. And then I met him and I realized that, yes, there
are a lot
is
of
still
good
love.
people, yeah. If you love
Love
somebody,
exists.
you will marry.
Not about marrying, but about, love really exists. He
Hmm.
taught me that, and I think it's a beautiful thing.
It does, right. Okay. कुछ ऐसा जो तुमने किया हो मेरे पीठ पीछे और तुमने कभी बताया ना हो?
Peet piche.
Yes.
There have always been things that I did behind her, was always to surprise her for her birthdays, nothing else, nothing else, because we have always been partner in crimes. So whatever we do, even सांस भी लेते हैं तो एक दूसरे को बताते हैं, we are like that. So yeah, behind the back there is no such thing.
So let's talk about other things about your marriage. A lot of people from my community, from your community, they wants to know, which is I did not write it down in my phone. Tell me about your marriage life and about the culture, different culture. How did you manage? Tell me your side of the story so that other people can hear and understand that why she get married in Turkey, why not us?
Okay, so in this topic I have a lot of things to say, because first of all it's not easy.
Yeah.
लोगों को लगता है कि हाँ nationality लेने के लिए कर ली शादी and अमीर फंसा लिया होगा कोई, this is a basic mentality of Pakistani people. So it's not easy first of all, because nobody talks about it, but जब आप बाहर कहीं मुल्क में जाते हो तो you have to go through all the procedures like according to them. Not everywhere is not like Pakistan, जहाँ पे आप अपने अब्बा से बात करवा के reference दे दो and you will get your things done. So it was a lot of effort to get my procedure done, to get the documents done and everything. At so many points I just lost the hope that I don't want to get married and I just want to back off and go back. But no, of course I now really don't regret, because he's the best man ever. But also if I compare him with Pakistani people, if I compare the family with Pakistani family, I feel that this is what a girl would want in her life, as in terms of family, in terms of work, in terms of, because how some people can be so frustrated and be toxic for your success, for your independence. So in these terms, I feel like I made the great decision, but otherwise before every ease there are a lot of difficulties. I went through all of them, but now alhamdulillah I'm having a very great time.
That's good to know. And how's your term with the Turkish family?
Actually, I never had difficulty with them, because somehow I just sorted out how to speak in Turkish. So it
Do you
was
have a cultural shock? Different
not
culture,
really,
different
not
people?
really. All because whatever occasions we have in our Pakistani weddings, like dholki, mehendi, blah 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 blah. It's like a
We did
never-ending
dholki.
process.
And I'm so proud of it. I did dholki for her. Oh my God.
It's a never-ending process in Pakistan if you do, but in Turkey they just have this nikah, where they go to the mosque first, or not the mosque, with the government first, and then the mosque, and then you finally go for the shadi. And if you want, you can have the mehndi as well.
Yeah.
But we didn't go for the mehndi because my family was coming all the way from Pakistan, so it was a very hectic routine for me to manage all the things. So yes, we didn't do all of these things, but somehow, even in my shadi, we had this song of Dana Pe Dana, which shadi is not
But I
complete
have
without.
regret of this, that we only dance with the one Pakistani song
Yeah.
and everyone dancing with the Turkish song. This was a little bit regret that I
From
could
1
ask.
p.m. till 5 p.m., they people dance like crazy
Oh my
without even taking a breath, without even getting tired. and they are very energetic. But the wedding was so good. Maybe we can add a little clip of it
Of
in
course,
the
yes,
video,
I would-
so you
I
guys can
would,
see it
yeah.
was a very good wedding. And also, I was so exhausted because I had to look after everything, my family. The photo shoot, it was at 7 a.m. in the morning, and then again at the wedding day, I had to wake up at 6, go for the makeup and all at 7 again. So I was really exhausted, but somehow everything went very great.
We manage it.
Yes.
So now tell me about your favorite food. Maybe
In
some of
Turkey?
the- yeah,
In Turkey,
in Turkey.
to be honest,
Do you
I
love Turkish food?
I love Turkish breakfast.
I love Turkish breakfast.
Turkish breakfast is so good and it's like so healthy.
But some of the people, they don't like Turkish breakfast because they don't understand this.
Actually, Pakistani people are habitual of having, you know, that fully
Paratha,
teli
the-
parathas
the
and
andas,
and
dulhan paratha. Have you eaten that?
Yes, I
Dulhan
tried it.
paratha.
I tried it in Pakistan. So, but because we are habitual of eating all these things, so in Turkey the breakfast is so healthy that people are like, no, not our type. They are habitual of having nihari in the morning. So yeah.
Oh,
I love the breakfast though, but I don't like food. So wherever I go, I always have the lal mirchi in my bag because I am obsessed with it. And you know, being Pakistani, we cannot stand phika khana.
कभी सोचा था उम्रा साथ में करेंगे?
Oh my God, it's again a dream come true. Like I remember when I posted a picture with you when you came the next day to Medina and we
Medina,
met.
yes.
I posted a picture that best friend is here, and I got a comment from somewhere, sorry, from my friend list, and she said, "You guys are literally goals." And I was like, "Oh, we sometimes just don't understand." But really, having someone like her all the way throughout your life is really a blessing.
Likewise. All right. And do you have any idea, any future plans, anything related to the business, your life, anything that you would like to change or move?
I wouldn't like to change, but I would definitely say, because ever since I came to Turkey, a lot of people are asking me how to come, how to do, how to adjust, blah blah blah. I would just say, don't come, please. Just don't come, because when we came in 2019, things were pretty different. Like
it was
everything
very
was different.
Really, it was very different.
Things were okay. Things were good. Lira was stable most of all.
Do you remember? Of 1 year, it was 29.
It was almost
PKR?
30. Yeah.
Almost 30.
Yeah.
And when we came here after 6 months, or maybe after 3 months, it was 35. I do remember.
Yeah. And right after, when everything was just stabling, we got COVID.
Oh.
We went back to Pakistan. Everything just vanished there. And when we got back, the lira was almost 19, and then it started falling down, and now you can see it's at 7.
Any funniest
So don't
thing?
come.
Any funniest thing that you would like to share? Do you remember that the auntie with the wiper and the jharu, she's coming from the apartment? Did I say? Can I
No.
say?
No, don't say
Can I
that.
say?
Don't say that.
Okay.
Let it be, guys. You are not supposed to know everything.
Literally, I was coming to here in the studio, and I was thinking about this question: that should I ask? Should I ask? Should I ask? Or should
Actually,
I
we
not
can
ask?
talk about it, but I'm sure the person who are in this situation are never going to watch this video, but I don't want to have the bad impression for them. So, yeah. And also, if I tell you the story, I have to tell you all the things that happen at the back. So, yeah, that's kind of private.
Oh my God! Sometimes I understand that sometimes people in your life, they are such a blessing,
But we don't realize at
but
that
we
time.
don't realize at that
Yeah.
time, and somehow we lost this person, and we don't realize that.
कहते हैं ना आपको किसी चीज़ को खोने के बाद उसकी अहमियत का अंदाज़ा
अहमियत
होता
का
है.
एहसास
But we
होता
are not really regretting खोइंग that person because he was
लेकिन
not.
एक डिस्टेंस हम कर रहे हैं ताकि कोई चीज़ और ख़राब ना हो जाए पहले से.
Basically, they were, not he. It's not specifically connected with a boy.
Boy, yes, that's
So
right.
basically, those people were never meant to be in our life. But yeah.
लेकिन मोहन एक बात है, मैं अभी ये उर्दू में बोलना चाहूँगी.
Yes.
एक मेरे जहन में बहुत दिनों से एक बात है यार, that ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि लोगों के साथ हम उठे बैठे हैं, एक ही प्लेट में खाएं पिएं और आपको कैसे वो डिश कर देता है, जस्ट बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट कॉल और यू डिड नॉट गेट to pick them or speak with them or meet them their own house. Come on guys, हम गेस्ट हैं, हमारे घर पे आप लोग आओ. हम गेस्ट होके आप लोगों के घर में कैसे आ सकते हैं? वन टाइम, सेकंड टाइम, थर्ड टाइम, बट प्लीज गाइस डू अंडरस्टैंड, ग्रो अप गर्ल्स.
नो कमेंट्स.
लिटरली कभी कभी मुझे फील होता है, मैं कल ही रियलाइज कर रही थी, मैं किसी का रील देख रही थी मैं किसी की. शी हैज़ अ ग्रुप, friend zone, big girls in house, homies.
Yeah.
Remember? I have the groups, but everyone left.
Yeah, we have empty groups, with all the messages left, with all the pictures and videos left, where we can see and we can regret.
And yesterday I deleted
how
all
we
of them.
Trusted fake people.
Yesterday I deleted all of them. I said,
You know, everything happens for a reason. Sometimes you just get the lesson, and sometimes you get the people, the person. So it's fine.
well, anyway, anything that you would like to say something to my audience or to me?
Not, I don't know,
Or
but
to our-
I just have this feeling that this YouTube channel is going
Very well. I'm
very
not
far.
asking too much questions from you because I know you will be not open to that kind of questions.
maybe in the coming few podcasts, if we get
Yeah.
the good
Engagement.
yes, and reviews from the people and the feedback,
Exactly.
so we can do it. I can open up, you guys. By the way, Ankara, you tell me, what are your plans about this YouTube channel, and where do you see, let's say, you know, when you go for interview and you are sitting and the interviewers ask, where do you see yourself in 5 years? So I would just ask you, where do you see this YouTube channel after 5 years?
Have you seen the movie Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara?
Not really.
So I'm not thinking about कि एक कटरीना कैफ ने ऋतिक रोशन को बोला था, तुम्हें कैसे पता कि तुम 40 तक जिंदा रहोगे?
Ah, yes. Actually, we watched it together the
Yes,
last time.
exactly.
Yeah, I know.
So अभी जो है, I'm enjoying this moment. I'm living in the present. Now these days I'm not living in the future. I don't plan futures because whenever I plan future, it goes against. So these days I'm not predicting. I'm not planning the futures. I decided I will do it. Just like I decided the podcast, but you said that make it like in the between of the month. But I said no, I would like to do it. I need a push. If I will not push myself for this, I will never do that. I will keep like delaying it, and I don't want it. So here we are.
Okay.
I hope you enjoy this
And
podcast.
one more question I have. Like everyone, you know, Sallu bhai is getting this question a lot, all the time. When are you planning to get married?
No comments.
Seriously, like, please share something, like, in details. Are you planning, are you looking for someone, or you're not even interested on anything?
No,
What's the
I
reason?
am not interested, to be honest. I am not interested in marriage right now at that moment. But yes, after few months, maybe after 2-3 years later, maybe I will get married. You never know. But I can, as I told you, if I predict, it will be go against. We are Virgos. Girls, we are Virgos.
Oh my God.
Virgos always struggling.
This is something only a Virgo can understand, basically.
Exactly. So, Mumal, this was it.
What is that?
Let's do like this. So this was it, guys, and thank you, Mumal, for joining
You're
us
welcome.
in free, but inshallah in the upcoming videos. So guys, kindly share your thoughts कि अगला पॉडकास्ट कैसा होना चाहिए. आप टर्की के बारे में जानना चाहते हो या आप फ्यूचर के लिए जानना चाहते हो? जैसे मुमल ने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया है कि टर्की में कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है. इज़ इट नॉट लाइक दिस कि टर्की में कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है, लेकिन उनके लिए इफ़ यू सेटल डाउन, इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग to settle down in Turkey, not moving to Europe. But once you are coming to the Turkey, you always thinking about to go further, go to the Europe. So yeah, so this is all for today.
Also, Ankara, I would like to add that to the audience, whoever are watching us, basically these YouTube channels are not for the podcasting only, but it's going to be including our daily routines, things we do, things we don't, and in terms of study, moving to Turkey, moving to there, and
That's
this, whatever you have in your mind, like the future plans. So this channel is in general way we made, and we are thinking to make it more informative for all of you guys. So I would really suggest you to like and subscribe and do follow up, so you can have more information, like how if you are going to the abroad and if you have any plan to do anything, you will get the ideas definitely.
Exactly, and I'm gonna pin your account,
Of
my
course,
account,
yeah.
my Instagram account. If you would like to connect to the Boomer, you are most welcome. If you would like to connect to me, I'm always available. So yes, do like us, subscribe, and share your love with us. Thank you. Bye bye.